Welcome back on board. Last time we departed with our green crew on one of the toughest passages in the Pacific. Now we're at the remote sunken volcanoes called Minerva Reef. With a steady trade wind, the weather is in our favor and allows us to explore this bizarre place. So we take time out to service and check our dive gear.
You happy?
Almost, you're not done yet.
Yeah, I know.
You ready, Guus?
Guess so.
Don't have
But I need to make like a big leap with this thing, right?
Oh, you just jump in the water.
Yeah, you don't jump,
Yeah.
you leap.
Giant stride. Show us your giant stride. Okay, I'll be with you in a second, yeah?
It's been almost 2 years since Gus made his last dive, so a quick refresher course made sure he found his dive skills again. After some trouble clearing his ears, we managed to get all the way down to the seabed under the Anchored Lady. There wasn't much to see right there, so we made him do a few buoyancy exercises and a navigational swim around. But how great is it just to spend time underwater again?
Oh, so nice. Look at this, how we get beers.
Cappy takes good care of us. The cold boys.
Cold, yeah, it's quite cold though. Look at the hole in your beer.
Since we're in the middle of nowhere, we fall into our cruiser's rhythm and play games after the sun has set.
Also like straight, not like...
It's quite calm here actually. It's bad for an anchorage. It's
we're
really
in the middle
good.
of an ocean.
It's a quite
Yeah, but it's
pretty fucking comfortable.
John Travolta, Dalai Lama.
Dr. Evil. I thought he went like that.
Oh, nice! Fun, yeah!
There you go.
Amar medali. Ja, Joe!
Jamais. André Rieu.
Kermit the Frog.
Oh, yes!
Amy Winehouse.
No.
John Travolta.
No.
Pablo Picasso. Elvis Presley.
Amy Winehouse.
That's the one.
It's time to explore this crazy place, so we take the dinghy over to the reef that is growing on the volcano's wall. The tide and breaking waves cause a constant flow of water over the reef, which creates many small pools teeming with life. What a beautiful place.
Having fun, Cappy?
The next day we anchor on the outside wall and go snorkeling and free diving to hunt crayfish with some friends that we've made the day before.
Here? Okay. 13 meters.
How was it?
Lots of barracuda.
No!
There was this little white tip shark chasing a huge trevally around. The fish are really big, man.
Nice.
They're all the fish I know, but they're fucking 10 times the size, you know?
Parrot fish like that.
Next to your hat for dramatic effect.
Yum, yum, yum.
Rick, can you give me one of those legs? Are there legs inside? I think there's legs, no?
They're all
They're in the
now
sink.
they're here.
Ah, okay.
No, they're cooked. They're
Yeah?
there, yeah. If you want to go for it.
Yeah,
I
I'll-
didn't bring them up.
I will just try one.
Hello. Do you want to come over and have a beautiful lunch with us? It's worth it. Better than any restaurants, man.
Yes.
Much better. We got the scenery, the company, and the food.
Oh yes.
I'm not really sure you can beat that anywhere.
Want a leggy? I'll have a leg.
Ooh, crab sticks. So
What's happening?
there's a boat, the Kitty Wake. We met these guys yesterday. They've got this little boat without a working engine, and they were trying to tack into the wind through the pass over there, and they are now slamming on the reef. So they called out for help, and we picked up anchor, and we're on our way over there now. Just preparing lines over here. Got 32 meters of Dyneema and a big mooring line. Gonna see if we can pull them off the reef, I suppose. Going nice and fast.
We didn't go with the dinghy and the ropes already go over and see if you can already maybe do something, you know, that's what I meant. So, please reach there by daylight, see what's the situation and what we can do.
Alright.
Can you prepare head torches? It's gonna get dark soon. Just put them under the spray hood here. They're off! I'm gonna...
You're gonna try and tow us in there, Foxy Lady?
Yeah, we will! I'm gonna turn, okay?
Foxy Lady, this is Mango Boat. Can you give us your assessment, over?
No, I cannot.
That's alright, guys, these guys are on to it, no need for any more resistance, just stand by, cheers.
Alright, go. I'm gonna take you out. We'll turn to port and come back in. I'll tow you in, yeah?
Massive thanks to everybody there getting involved, that's amazing. Would have been screwed without you. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Once this awesome bunch of dudes are safely anchored again, we invite them on board. They were much more successful on the reef today, so they showed up with more crayfish, a huge parrotfish and a bottle of wine to celebrate a successful rescue.
Kitty Wake speciality, beer battered fish, oh.
Yes.
And ketchup.
Fresh off the reef.
Fresh
Fresh
off
off
the
the reef where your boat got stuck as well.
We're fresh off the reef and says the fish. Oh well.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, Foxy Lady. Look at this going on.
Alright.
More crayfish.
More crayfish. Get it together at some point.
Chips.
Chips.
Fried fish.
Alright.
And wine.
Join us again next time as we set sail for beautiful Tonga in search of humpback whales.